This video is provided by Coaching Online IIT and delivered by Praveen Kumar Pandey. This is free tutorial videos which helps IIT and medical entrance exam aspirant in secure a rank. In all the lecture series we will solve previous year's question of IIT and medical entrance exam. We will solve physics, chemistry and mathematics question and explain all the fact related to problems in great depth, and an cutting edge analysis is provided. Our team upload one video per day. So to get daily update, subscribe our channel. Special thank you to my dad Shri Amrendra Kumar Pandey, G, and my mom Shri Mt Neelam Pandey, G. I dedicate this videos to my younger sister Miss Pratima Pandey. Thank you for tolerating me during making the videos. Without you this is not possible. Thank you.
Welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, your online tutor, and in today's lecture we will see some more questions on simple connected bodies. These questions are very basic questions. You will find it in any books. So let me give you some more examples. Okay. So in yesterday class I had told you how this simply looking question is slightly difficult. Okay, it's not very difficult, but yeah, it's slightly difficult. You should be very careful. Okay, you know guys, what is the most fundamental thing is first try to find out relation between the acceleration. Try to find out relation between the acceleration, between different try to find out relation of acceleration between different try to find out relation of acceleration between the different bodies of connected system. Okay, connected system. Check this thing, connected system. Okay, so in this class I had show you how to analyze this question. First this will move in this direction, and you know how it has helped it. Okay, and this will move along this and normal to this in this manner. There will be only two directions. What should be the relation between acceleration of ax and here ay? What is the relation between ax and ay relation? Okay, this means, okay, this angle is theta. So I had explained all these things. Okay, and after that I had tell you that its acceleration will be in two directions, this and in this direction. And what is the question of SC1? The question has in SC1 has asked that find the acceleration of this block with respect to this wedge, which is in book is prism. Okay, and so acceleration of this particle is not matching with my answer, but acceleration of this is matching, because I had not tried to find what is the acceleration of this wedge with respect to this block with respect to this wedge. What I had find absolute acceleration of this wedge. Okay, absolute acceleration of this prism. Acceleration of this prism. Okay, so that's why your answer is not going to match for it, and it will exactly match. Okay, so now I am going to solve some more example. Okay, I am going to solve you some more example on it, and let's see how easy looking question, a tough question, and a tough looking question become a easy one if you understand the concept. So this is the very famous question. So let me draw the diagram. Yeah, this is a wedge, and on wedge here is a rod. It is in. Okay, and here is the constant. Here is some constant. Okay, and okay, this is a constant. Okay, what I'm saying that this is this is a hollow pipe. This is a hole. Through this hole, the pipe is a rod is moving a rod through this hole rod is moving downward. Rod is in this manner. Okay, this arranging rod this arranged in this manner. Okay, guys. So mass of this is m, and I have to find what should be the acceleration. What I have to find what should be the acceleration. Okay, what should be the acceleration of this guys, or okay. Okay, so this mass of this is m, capital M, mass of this is small m. Okay, and we had this angle is theta. This angle is theta. We have to find what is the acceleration, etc. Okay, what is the acceleration, etc. Whatever it is. So all this and all the what is the extra thing given in the question is that all the surfaces, contact surfaces are frictionless. This means here there is no friction, here there is no friction. Okay, guys. So here in this question there are two things is clear. First thing is, for if I think about acceleration of wedge, the first step is to think acceleration of wedge. It's depend upon you what you want to do. First you think upon acceleration of wedge. First you think about acceleration, otherwise first you want to draw the free body diagram. Whatever you want to do, it's your choice. Okay, so let me first think about acceleration. Okay, so this wedge can move only in this, only along this, either along this or along this. Okay, this wedge can move only along this, either along this or this. Okay, it cannot fly in air. Okay, this fly in air. Flying in air is not possible. Flying in air is not possible. Okay, so if this is the north motion, this can move only in this direction or this direction. Okay, guys, and okay, and again. So let's suppose it's move in this direction. Okay. Now I'm going to find out what is the acceleration, and what there could be any relation between acceleration of this wedge and this rod. Okay, there is any acceleration, but there is any relation between this wedge and block is possible or not. Okay, so okay guys, so here this is a wedge, and this is a wedge, and here this is support, whatever support it is, you may name it, and through this here is a rod. This is the vertical rod. Okay guys, this is a vertical rod, this is rod. Again, guys, if this has moved downward in this manner, and it reached here, and okay, again let's suppose this has moved by amount x, okay, so this will be the x, okay, and this will be the x. Okay, guys, and since it cannot leave this cannot leave the contact. Okay, it will come down here, So guys, if this is x, I want to find what is the y. If this is x, I want to find what is this y. Okay, what this y is, I want to find it. Okay, so this is x, this is y. I want to find what is the relation between it. Okay, look, this angle is theta. It is given in the question. So this is the parallel. What will be this angle? Okay, this angle will be theta. If this angle is theta, this angle will be theta. If you look it very carefully, then this is x, this is y, this is theta, this angle is theta, then there should be a relation between them, and look it very carefully, this will become tan theta is equal to y by x. Okay, so what will be x tan theta is equal to y. Okay, x tan theta is become y. So x tan theta become y. So if you look, what is the acceleration? d2y upon dt2. This should be equal to dt2, okay, tan theta. So this is the ay, this should be equal to ax tan theta. So it is a simple relation, and and this is the important to calculate. Why I know okay, this should be important, because guys, okay, now I will you will understand it when we draw the free body diagram and write down the equation of motion. So now I had tried to find out this that what should be the possible acceleration, etc. This acceleration, this will be in this direct along this, and this block and will move along only in this sense, okay, and the relation between them, their acceleration is ay is equal to ax tan theta. This is the relation between them, okay guys. So now let me draw the free body diagram, and after drawing the free body diagram I will try to solve the questions, okay. So see here, this is a wave, there is a force by gravity, because this is in gravitational field. This is the mg, okay. Here is the n1, here is the n1. Who is applying this n1? Ground, on which this is applying weight. How I know? By Newton's third law, okay. And again, here there is a perpendicular force perpendicular to the surface. This is the n. Who is applying this n? Rod. Who is applying this? Because look at this. This is the perpendicular to it in this manner, okay. Not along this. Normal force will be along this, okay, because this is the perpendicular to surface along this, okay, not along this. This is not along this, okay guys, not along this, okay. This will be perpendicular force. This will be, okay. These things are, at first instant it should this look funny, but it is the important to realize, to solve the question correctly with confidence, okay. So this is the n, okay. This is n. Who has applied? This rod has applied, okay. So guys, if this angle is theta, this angle will be theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta, okay. This angle will be 90, so this angle will be 90 minus theta, okay. It is very simple to calculate. You can calculate it. I am not going to do it, okay. So this wave can move only in this direction. So what should be my principal axis? This along this should be my x-axis, or perpendicular to it this should be my y-axis. Because why I take it? Because this is the sense of acceleration, okay. If I take this axis as a main axis, and then my question become very simple, okay. So I had taken this as my principal axis for this for whom? For this block, okay, for this block. So let me draw it. So let me write down the equation. So there is only one force. You have see, this is the mg, this is the n1. Who had applied this n1? Ground. And this is the this is the n. Who has applied this n? This rod. Who has applied this rod? Has applied this n. And this is the angle between them, which is 90 minus theta. This is the angle. This is the 90 minus theta. Okay. So let me write. Okay. Let me write down the equation of motion for this. Let me write down the equation of motion for this. Okay. What will be this? And sine theta. And sine theta. This should be equal to m, capital M A. Okay. And sine theta should be equal to capital. Okay. Okay, guys. This is A1. Let me do it. A1. Okay. Again, now okay, and this is the along x-axis, and what will be along y-axis? Y-axis will be mg plus n cos theta. This should be equal to, okay. So it is very simple, and you can do it. Why this should be equal? Because there is no motion. Acceleration in x direction, acceleration in vertical direction should be 0. Acceleration along vertical direction should be 0. So it will balance, and this should be equal to, okay, by Newton's second law. Okay, you could understand why this should, why it is so. Mg plus n cos theta is equal to 1, because due to Newton's second law there is no acceleration in y direction. Okay. Now so let's see, let me draw the free body diagram for this. Let me draw free body diagram for this. Okay, for this rod. You know, guys, there is in this is the rod. This is the rod surface, and here there is a friction force on rod. Okay, which is N. Okay, and rod is in this manner, which is perpendicular. Okay, guys, and here there is a normal, there is a force by gravity, which is mg. This is a small m, this is a small m. Okay, so let me balance it. Oh, okay, so what is the direction of acceleration? This acceleration is along this. Acceleration of for this rod will be along this. So let me this as my principal axis, and perpendicular, this is my axis. Okay, and you know, guys, there is a force which is by this rod, by this support here. There is a force. This support has applied force, and it will balance. This is the N1. Okay, this is here is a force. Here is a force by support. Here is force by support. Okay, here is force by this support. So, and this support will balance it. Okay, let me suppose this is the NA, this is NB. So this support will balance each other in and along this axis. Okay, so let me write down the equation for this only along this. Okay, what can I write? Mg. Okay, if you look very carefully, this angle will be theta. This angle will be 90 minus theta. Okay, guys, 90 minus theta. Okay, this angle will be 90 minus theta. So okay, so this angle will be theta. So what can I write? Mg minus n cos theta. Okay, mg minus n cos theta is equal to MAY. Now what is listen, if you do not know what should be the relation between, what should be the relation between A1 and AY and A1, what is the relation between AY and A1, then it is slightly become hard. It is impossible to solve, because how many variable you have? You do not know N, you know A, you do not know AY. Okay, so you had three variable, 1 and A and AY. You have three variable and you have only two equations. You cannot solve it. Okay, so it is necessary to try to find out relation between accelerations of connected bodies. Okay, so I have find out this will be the relation between acceleration of these two bodies. Okay, so now it become very simple to solve it. Okay, so I had tried to find out. So guys, there is two steps. There is two things to solve Newton's law. There is two fundamental method to solve Newton's law. First is draw the free body diagram correctly, and write down the equation, etc. Second, which is necessary, is try to find out relation of acceleration between different connected bodies, different connected body. Okay, connected body of your system. Okay, of your system. Guys, if you do this too, if you will able to draw the free body diagram correctly, your 40% question has been solved. And if you do it correctly, then your 90% total 90% will be solved, and after 10% is only to solve the equation. Okay, 10% is only to solve the equation. Okay, so we have to both of the things. We have to do both of the things. Okay, follow these two steps. Okay, and guys, the best way to solve the question is try out geometry, and these are not tough geometry. You had read it in class 10th. Most of the geometry I used here is in class 10th. Okay, it's class 10th geometry, so just utilize it, enjoy your class 10th knowledge. Okay, I think this is the bonus. Okay, because you do not require any new knowledge to solve the Newton's law. So this is your bonus for you. So just enjoy it and solve the questions. Okay. So what I had write that mg minus n cos theta, this should be equal to may, and ay is equal to ax tan theta. Okay guys, ax tan theta, this is the ax. Okay, this is the ax. Okay. So what should I do? I should just replace n, so let me multiply this by n sin theta, and here let me multiply by mg sin theta. What I get? Mg sin theta and mg sin theta should be equal to, if I add both of them, amx tan theta sin theta, okay, plus capital M ax cos theta, okay guys, it is correct. Yeah, mg sin theta, this multiply I will become sin theta cos theta sin theta, here I multiply sin theta, both will cancel out. Okay, so what is your ax? mg sin theta divided by m tan theta sin theta plus capital M cos theta. Okay guys, and this is equal to ax, and if you just resolve it slightly and modified it, then it becomes, this is simple. I mean, it is not necessary to do you sin theta cos theta plus m sin square theta plus capital M cos square theta. Okay guys, okay guys, so let's solve another question. So I had find what is the expression of ax, what is the ax I have find in previous question, and then what is the ay just multiplied with by tan x. Okay, ax tan x. Okay, so we had solved it. Okay, now look another questions, look another question, and it look very complicated at just one glance. Okay, in simple look, it may look slightly complicated to you. Okay, let me draw a diagram for the question. This is a wedge, and on this wedge there is a block. On this wedge there is a block. Okay, and on this there is another one like this. There is another one. Okay guys, and this is fixed. It is fixed. This is fixed. Okay guys, okay, and all surfaces are frictionless. Are frictionless. Okay guys, frictionless, all surfaces are frictionless. So it is very simple to calculate. Okay, all surfaces are frictionless. Okay, so the first step is, first there are two fundamental way. There are two fundamental step. First is, and it depend upon you what you want to do first. Okay, depend upon you what you want to do first. First is, consider the relationship acceleration relationship between the blocks. Okay, between the bodies, and second is, draw the free body diagram, and draw the draw the free body diagram. So these two are fundamental steps for any question, and it's depend upon you what you want to do first. If you first you want to draw free body diagram, and then you have try to find out what should be the consideration acceleration, or first you should try to consider acceleration and then draw the free body diagram. And I will do for you because you know this is the important one, and you will do a lot of mistake in calculating it. We will do a lot of mistake in calculating it. So I will first do it. I will first adopt this because you know to grab your attention to the questions. Okay. So this wedge is fixed. What is the question? This wedge is fixed. Okay, guys. No, now this triangular block, this triangular block can move only in this direction, only along this. Can move only along this. Okay. Whatever happen, it can move. It can move only along this. Okay. Only along this. Okay, guys. It can move only along this. Okay. And you know whatever happen, this capital block, this small block will only move along this, will move only vertical, only along vertical. Okay, guys, can move only along verticals. Okay. So there are two constraints. We have find a constraint on acceleration. Okay, this is allowed to move only along this, and this is allowed to move only along this. Now we have to use simple geometry and try to find out what should be the relationship. Okay, we use the simple geometry and try to find out what should be the relationship. Okay, so let's suppose this slide by amount x here reached here. This slide by amount x reached here. So it will be something like this. Okay, guys, and this is the my new position. Okay, this is this. Okay. So look, this in vertical line, this will reach by this amount, and by parallel to it, this will slide to this. Okay, so this is y, and let's suppose this is x, this is x, this is x. Let's suppose this is x. Okay, because this will be parallelogram, so this will, if this will be x, this will be x, and okay, guys, this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Okay, so you know here it is very small, so let me draw it big so that you could clearly see it. Okay, it is big enough right now. Okay, so what I had done, it's slide reached here. Okay, parallel to this, this will be here, something here. Okay, this guy has moved x, so this will be also x, and this will also be x. Okay, guys, this will also be x. Here is your block, here is your block. Okay, so let me suppose this block has come down by amount y. Okay, let me draw a parallel straight. Okay, this come down by amount y, this come down by amount y. Okay, it come down by amount y, and parallel to this will be the okay, this point will be reached somewhere here, this point will reach somewhere here. Okay, because you know this point has reached here, so this will shift, this will reach here somewhere here, and this is y, vertical, this is y. So let this is x, because this is parallel to this. So, and this angle is theta, this angle is theta, it is given. This will be theta, this will be theta, this will be theta, this will be theta. Okay, guys, this angle will be theta, this angle will be theta. So you know this is y and this is x. So what is your sine theta? Sin theta is equal to y by x. So x sin theta, this should be equal to y. So we had find, okay, x sin theta is equal to y. So it is a simple question. It is simple question. X sin theta is equal to y. Okay, you could see. Okay, so what is ay should be equal to ax sin theta. Okay, we had find the relation. So our 50% question had been solved. 50%. Oh no, next 45%, 45% will solve by drawing Fibonacci diagram. By drawing Fibonacci diagram. Okay. Okay. So let me draw the Fibonacci diagram. Let me draw the Fibonacci diagram. Okay, guys. So first I am going to draw the Fibonacci diagram for this block. This block. We have solved a 50% question. We are going to draw the Fibonacci diagram for this block. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So there's if you look at draw the Fibonacci in this block, here is a force N. Let me call it N, and here there is a force which is N1. Okay, and this is force by gravity which is N, which is mg, capital. Let me write capital mg. Okay, capital mg. Okay, so this angle will be theta. So in there is an mg plus n, so this angle will be theta. Guys, this angle will be 90, this angle will be theta. Okay, this angle will be theta. So what will be the force along this? Force along this will be mg, capital mg plus n sin theta, plus n sin theta. This should be equal to capital M ax. Okay, guys, this should be equal to mg plus n sin theta. This should be equal to capital M ax. Okay, this is simple. Okay. So we had, and there is no motion along this, so it will be balanced. I am not good. It's your job to write down. Okay. So mg plus n sin theta is equal to M ax, capital M ax. Okay. Now we should consider about. This guy. Okay, draw the Fibonacci diagram for this. Okay. Look, there is only one force here. There is only one normal. This is the mg. This is small m. This is g, and here is the normal reaction. And who has applied this side? This guy. Who has applied this side? This guy has applied. Okay, by Newton's third law. So and what is the okay? So I should write and it is moving downward. How I know? Because I had just here analyzed its motion. It is moving downward. It is not going upward. So mg, this is small m g minus n. This should be equal to a small m ay. And what is the, listen guys, here, listen here again. Here there are three variable n, ax, ay. But you had only two equation. You require three equation. The third equation is this. Okay, this is my third equation. So you see now how the consideration of acceleration and drawing the Fibonacci diagram play an important role in solving the motion of Newton's law. Okay, so mg, what can I write? mg minus n is equal to m ax sin theta. Okay, guys, and if you look it very carefully, you will get capital M g plus n is equal to capital M, this is a small m, no? Capital M ax by sin theta. Okay, so just add it, what you get? Capital M plus small m g divided by a small m sin theta plus capital M by sin theta. Okay, this is equal to ax. So what is ax? Capital M plus m, here is g divided by small m, yeah, sine square theta. Just see the calculation, capital M. You should check it once again, okay? Because sometimes I commit a mistake in solving calculation. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, it is very simple one, and so it is very simple, and you can find it easily. And okay, guys, so now we are going to solve another question.
Hey buddy, hope you understand whatever I am explaining to you. So work hard and enjoy the life. If you want to see me tomorrow, then subscribe my channel because viewers like you support and motivate us to make videos. Please share this by clicking on the share button on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking sites so that anyone get benefit and spread about it among your friends. My dear students, an important message for all of you. We are trying to take an online exam, which will be totally free for trial period means till July 2017. If you are interested in it, then you can register by sending an email or a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 700-771-9110, or by giving this call on 7755896 We will give more detail about it in our forthcoming videos. Thank you so much.